So in this video we're going to have a look at how we go about converting an RPN expression into its evaluated final answer. So what I would like you to do for this task is to take each of these postfix expressions and evaluate what the final answer would be. If you're not sure on how to do this, then obviously watch the video through. If you want to have a go at doing these first and then see the solutions afterwards, then please crack on, and then we'll have a look at the final answers together. I feel this is a better way of doing it than just rewriting them as the infix expression, because you can see how they would be written by simply evaluating the answers themselves anyway. So decide what you're going to do, pause the video or carry on playing, and then we will go through the answers together. Okay, so with the first equation, what we've essentially got here is we've got 3 plus 11 to give us an answer of 14. With the second one, what we're going to do is we've got 3 on its own, so we're going to isolate that in a second. And we've essentially got here 11 plus 5 to do first of all, and then we need to subtract the evaluation of that from 3. So if we were to actually write this equation out, it would look something like 3 minus 11 plus 5, which would give us an answer of, I believe, minus 13. With this next one then, which is the same series of numbers, just kind of like changed around a little bit, what we're actually doing this time is we're essentially doing 3 plus 11, because we're doing that part of the equation first. Notice, based on the previous video, operands being entered, operator, pop it off, evaluate, and then we perform the next one, and then we perform the next sequence. So that's minus 5, so that's going to be 9. I'll just circle my answers so you can see them more clearly. With the fourth one, what we're going to do here is we are going to first of all evaluate 11 and 3, which is going to be 14, and then we're going to subtract 5 from it to give us 9, and then we're going to multiply it by 2. So essentially this equation has been written as 3 plus 11 minus 5, and then it's kind of, if I was going to write it out, I would say it's been written like that actually. So the final answer is going to be 3 and 11, which is 14, minus 5 to give us 9, times it by 2 to give us an answer of 18. All right, now the next one, this one's really interesting actually. If we take a look at this one, so we're gonna, if we think about we're adding items to the stack, so we're gonna add these, and then we're going to find our operator. We're going to pop those 2 items and evaluate this expression, and then we're going to keep adding, and then we're going to pop off that one, and then we're going to pop off that one, and then pop the final value to return this. So this one could be quite an interesting one to do. So this one's going to be 5 add 3, and then it's going to be subtracting 2 to the power 4, and then that's going to be all added to 9. So there's going to be 8. So we're going to have 8 here. 2 to the power 4 is going to be 16. So 8 minus 16 is obviously going to be minus 8. Then add 9 to it is going to give us an answer of 1. So it's quite a nice logic to each of those. That last one's a particularly taxing question, but an interesting one nonetheless. And I hope you found them all okay.